Hello friends, today on 5th of September, as we celebrate the International Day of Charity, let's remind ourselves that a small act of charity can do a lot of good to many people out there. Not everyone is as privileged as we are. Therefore, we must help those who need us. How can we contribute? Instead of simply wasting food, remember the millions of people starving around the world. Wouldn't it be a nice feeling to share our clothes, shoes, or toys with the ones who don't have them at all? Charity begins at home. Let's be thankful for all the blessings and not forget to contribute in whatever way we can on this very special day and always. Thank you for watching my YouTube video and see you next time.